Alright, here's the engine. Yes, I'm so excited. Here he comes.
Yep.
Is he gonna blow for this crossing?
Oh yeah, he's gonna blow like crazy here.
Oh no, I'm scared now.
He's gonna blow your ears off.
Can you just plug my ears for me? I'm scared now.
Don't be scared. He ain't gonna hurt you.
There's a big thing coming at us, man. I'm like shaking a little bit.
It'll just really be loud.
Uh-oh. Oh! That hurts! That hurts! Oh my.
He's keeping at you.
Whoa! This is so cool! Yo, this is sick!
I'm waving at you.
Yep. That was cool.